Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Loop Podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ethan. We're really happy you're here with us today.
If you're new to our podcast, welcome. We make simple, fun lessons to help you speak English naturally, like real people in daily life.
Today's topic is very important for beginners. We're talking about two ways to talk about the future: will and going to. Many learners mix them up, but after this episode, you will understand the difference clearly and use them correctly.
Yes, both will and going to talk about things that happen in the future, but they are not exactly the same. We'll explain everything slowly, with easy examples, real conversations, and lots of practice. Even if you know nothing about future tense right now, you will understand everything by the end.
This lesson is perfect for A1 and A2 beginners, or anyone who feels confused about future English. We'll go step by step.
If you enjoy our relaxed style, please like this episode, share it with friends, and subscribe to English Loop Podcast. Your support motivates us to create new videos for our amazing listeners every single day.
Okay, let's start from the beginning. What is future tense? Future tense means talking about things that will happen later, tomorrow, next week, next year, or even in 5 minutes. In English, we don't change the verb a lot for future, like in some languages. We use helper words like will or be going to.
First, let's learn will. Will is the simplest way to talk about the future. How do we make sentences with will? Subject plus will plus base verb, the simple form of the verb. For examples, I will call you later. You will like this movie. He will come to the party. She will help us. We will win the game. They will travel to Canada next month.
For negative sentences, add not after will. We often say won't instead of will not. For examples, I won't forget your birthday. She won't eat spicy food. We won't be late.
But in questions, put will first. For examples, will you come tomorrow? Will it rain? Will he pass the exam? Here we use the will in first place.
Now, when do we use will? There are main situations for quick decisions or right now in the moment. For example, the phone is ringing. You say, I'll answer it. You decide right now. Another example, it's raining outside. You say, I'll take an umbrella.
Situation 2. Here we use will for predictions like what you think will happen, based on your opinion. Example, I think it will rain this afternoon. She will be a great doctor one day. Or our team will win the match.
And situation 3, we use will for promises, offers, and help. For examples, I will always love you. I'll carry your bag for you. Don't worry, I'll fix it.
Yes, you can also use will for things that are certain or facts about the future. For examples, the sun will rise at 6 a.m. tomorrow. When you heat water, it will boil.
Now let's talk about going to. Going to means you have a plan or there are signs something will happen. How do we make it? Subject plus am or is or are plus, going to plus base verb. Examples, I am going to study tonight. You are going to love this food. He is going to buy a new phone. She's going to visit her family. We are going to watch a movie. They are going to move to a new house.
For negative, add not after am, is, or are. For examples, I'm not going to eat fast food. He isn't going to come late.
For questions, put am or is or are first. For examples, are you going to travel this summer? Is she going to call us? What are they going to do?
So, when do we use going to? We use for the plans you decided before now. Example: last week I decided I'm going to learn English every day. We're going to have a party next Saturday.
When there are clear signs now that something will happen soon. Look at the sky. It's going to rain. She's running fast to the door. She's going to catch the bus. You see it happening.
For strong predictions based on present evidence, the baby is crying a lot. He's going to be hungry soon. My phone battery is at 1%. It's going to die.
Important, in many everyday conversations, people use both, and it's okay. But understanding the difference makes your English more natural. Let's compare side by side. Situation is that your friend asks, "What will you do this weekend?" If you decide right now, "I'll go to the market." If you planned before, "I'm going to meet my friends." Another situation is, the sky is dark. It's going to rain. I think it will rain tomorrow.
Now let's practice basic sentences. Repeat after us slowly. I will help you. She is going to cook dinner. We won't be late. Are you going to watch TV tonight? It will be fun. He's going to buy a car next year.
Good. Let's do more practice with situations. Situation 1. You see your friend carrying heavy bags. You offer help. "I'll carry one for you." Situation 2. You planned your holiday last month. "I'm going to visit Murray in June."
Situation 3. Dark clouds outside. It's going to rain soon. Situation 4. Someone asks for advice. What should I do? You say, I think you'll feel better if you rest.
Now, common mistakes beginners make. Very important. Mistake 1. Using will for plans you made before. Wrong. I will go to the doctor tomorrow, if planned already. Correct is, I'm going to go to the doctor tomorrow. Mistake 2. Using going to for quick decisions. Wrong, the phone is ringing. I'm going to answer it. Correct, I'll answer it. Mistake 3. Forgetting be in going to. Wrong, I going to study. Correct, I am going to study. Mistake 4. Saying will going to. Never. Wrong, I will going to call you. Correct, I will call you. Or I'm going to call you.
Let's correct some sentences together. Wrong. Tomorrow I will meet my friend. But planned last week. Correct is, tomorrow I'm going to meet my friend. Look, the glass falls. This is wrong. Correct is, look, the glass is going to fall.
Now, a natural conversation between two friends.
Hi, Ali. What are your plans for Eid?
"Hi, Sarah, I'm going to visit my family. We planned it months ago. What about you?"
I haven't decided yet. Maybe I'll stay home and relax.
That sounds nice. "Oh, look at the sky. It's going to rain."
Yes, I'll close the windows. Do you think it will rain all day?
"I don't know. But I'm going to take my umbrella just in case."
Good idea. Will you come to the market with me later?
"Sure, I'll come. Let's go after lunch."
Perfect.
Notice, I'm going to visit. Plan before. I'll stay home. Decision now. It's going to rain. Sign now. I'll close the windows. Quick decision. I'll come. Offer now.
Let's practice repeat after us with mixed examples. I'm going to learn English every day. I will call you right now. She's going to have a baby soon. Look at her. We will win the game, I'm sure. Are they going to come to the wedding? It won't be easy, but I'll try.
Now let's build a longer story using both. Last weekend, my friend and I planned a trip. We're going to go to Islamabad by train. I booked the tickets last month, so going to. But on Friday night, the weather changed. It started raining hard. I looked outside and said, "It's going to flood the roads." My friend said, "Don't worry, I'll drive carefully." On Saturday morning, the sun came out. I said, "It will be a beautiful day." We left early. During the trip, my phone died. My friend said, "I'll charge it when we stop." We arrived safely. I'm happy we went. Next time, we are going to plan even better.
See how both will and going to fit naturally?
Quick review. Easy to remember. Use going to when you planned it before speaking. There are clear signs now. Clouds, someone running, etc. Use will when you decide right now. You make promises or offers. You predict based on opinion. It's a certain fact.
Memory trick. Going to equals already in your calendar or you see proof now. Will equals surprise decision or your personal thought.
Final practice round. I say a situation. You choose will or going to in your mind. You see dark clouds. Rain. It's going to rain. Your mom asks for help with bags. You say, "I help you?" "I'll help you." You decided yesterday to study tonight. I study English. I'm going to study English. You think your team is strong. We win. We will win. The movie starts in 5 minutes. We be late if we don't hurry. We are going to be late.
Excellent. You're doing great.
Practice every day. Talk to yourself. Today I'm going to, or I'll do this if.
Leave a comment with your own future sentences using will or going to. We read them all.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. Your English is improving fast.
Subscribe now and turn on notifications. We have more easy lessons coming.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.